Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you on a night point of view drive with this car, the new Dacia Bigster with the new powertrain. So this is the 2026 model with the Hybrid-G 150 4x4 powertrain. You will see how it drives. It will go through the city, so I hope you will enjoy this one. Now of course the Dacia Bigster has got this nice robust styling. Just take a look at the shape of the bonnet, then the lovely grille, the Y shape of the daytime running LEDs. We can also turn on the lights by pressing the key. 4 meters 57 is the length of the car. This particular model sits on the 18-inch wheels. We have the journey trim here for the model in our video. Lovely wing mirrors, and then also this design detail is something that makes the car very distinctive, I would say. Now from the rear, let's turn on the lights once again. There we go. So a bit of a different styling compared to Duster, for example. You see here the lighting signature, and then also this part here emphasizing the width of the car. Now you can notice here we have hybrid lettering and also 4x4 electric tailgate on the journey trim. And this is the trunk space, 556 liters for the version in our video. And then convenient features, you can fold the seats here. There's also this cover, you can put it all the way here, so you have maximum privacy for your things. Press this to close the electric tailgate. You can also do it with the key. And now we will go inside. I will show you the interior with the digital cockpit and the main touchscreen. You have this animation, nice welcome animation upon entering. Then these are the seats, lovely new Dacia logo here. But now let's see it from driver's perspective. Here is your view as a driver. I will immediately turn on the car here, the start button. There we go. Put on my seat belt and we are ready to start the drive. Let's go. So let's talk about the details of this unique powertrain. So the Hybrid-G 150 4x4. What we have here, we have the 140 horsepower 1.2 liter powertrain on the front axle, then 31 horsepower electric motor at the rear axle, 0.84 kilowatt-hour battery. Combined system output is 113 kilowatts, so around 154 horsepower, and 10.4 seconds is the time to reach 100, while the top speed is 180 kilometers per hour. You can hear now we are driving with just electric power, and you will see how the engine performs in today's drive through the city. And we are now in the city. So the internal combustion engine is mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission, dual clutch one. You have the pedals here behind the steering wheel, and the electric motor is mated to a 2-speed automatic with disengageable rear axle. The car has got the dual fuel, petrol and LPG, so 2 tanks, 50 liters each for both petrol and then LPG as well. In terms of the layout here in front of us, you can see the digital cockpit, the 10-inch one, and in the middle the 10.1-inch touchscreen with the new Dacia's infotainment system. Now, as you already now noticed, this is really unique powertrain, and then you can also see what is happening on this cool view that you can have here in the middle. So you have the energy flow, and then also I want to show you the navigation. With the nice 3D view of the buildings. It does take some time to get it on, but you will see it's got a very nice view. There we go. So here it is. You can change also the appearance. Here we have the dark mode now. and up to 60% of time the car in urban environment can be with electric power, using the electric power for driving. And of course, then if you push the throttle a bit more, of course you can hear the engine then. And you may have heard the beeping sound. It's mandatory by law to have it in all new cars as soon as you go just a bit over the speed limit. Now, in order to turn it off in Dacia models, it's very easy. Just press this twice, and now my safety perso is selected. It's a preset configuration that you can configure within the system before you even start the drive. And once you configure it, then you can, just activate it. So here's where you would configure the My Safety Perso, and yeah, activate it easily. Now the central console here with the gear selector for the automatic transmission, and also the selector of the driving modes. So this car actually has the different driving modes. I will now show you. So you have Eco, then we move on to the auto one, then snow, mud, sand, off-road, and eco. Back to eco. So eco, auto, snow, mud and sand, and the off-road. So various driving modes, and this car is really capable of off-roading. You can watch my video of off-roading with this powertrain in Duster, but of course it's almost the same with Bigster as well. So we had a special event organized by Dacia where we had the chance to drive this powertrain on off-road circuit track or polygon, we would say, and there we really discovered just how capable this powertrain is. So make sure to check that video as well if you're interested in off-road driving. Now the AC is on switches, of course, as it is on the other new Dacia models, which is very convenient. So you have a nice large screen, but still switches for the AC. And then with the pedals you can change the gears. Drive. But you see now, once we turned on the map view, now as soon as you click on it, the map view appears. Now also I can show you here the cool view that this particular model has with the angles, and also let's mention that the angles are so impressive. Again, on that off-road video you can see what I'm talking about. So yeah, the car was like this. And yeah, you also have the camera views. Now in terms of powertrains that are currently available for the new Dacia Bigster here in Croatia, starting with mild hybrid 140, then you have mild hybrid G 140, Hybrid 155, and then also this Hybrid-G 150 4x4. So those are the options when it comes to powertrains. Tell me in the comments what would be your choice. Let me also show you this. If you go here to screen, you can also change the ambient color. Now it's not the ambient light, it's just the ambient color. So now, for example, I've turned it to blue, so you will see that this screen has like the blue theme. I would love to see the ambient lighting, but I think that you know, Dacia always look at what their customers want and actually need. So even though maybe, you know, some customers would want the ambient lights, in the end it's all about value for money. So they look what are the things that the customers will really appreciate, and probably the ambient lights are not on the top of the list, even though, again, for me, I think they are very cool and they would be very cool here. But yeah, and when you're driving with just electric power, you have this EV lettering on the digital cockpit. Also change what you see here in front of you. There are various options, and also see here on the right you can have like the big view, then you have then you don't have the additional things on your right, or you can have the various things in here. My favorite view is this Charge, Eco and Power meter. And then, of course, since this is the dual fuel, just press this, and now we are using LPG. You have this also lettering here in the lower section of your screen. And now you can see the LPG gauge is on the left, and on our right we have the petrol fuel gauge. And then if I press it again, now the LPG is on the right, and for the petrol it's here. So I think that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to the channel, as there will be plenty of more to come. Tell me in the comments how do you like this car, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.